talk about how can you deposit on your Pocket Option app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to deposit on your Pocket Option app. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on finance here, just click here on finance. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on deposit here, just click on it. So when you click here on deposit here, it's going to take you to this list here. So just switching to open video like this. Here can you add your country. Here if you want to search for here for account here accounts you want to deposit here, can you select it, and here can you use all of this here you have on your Pocket Option app to deposit here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.